Hey guys, this is CJ Estrada and welcome to the channel. I'm here at Robinson's Fuente, Smenia, and we'll be having a Cebu Creators Day. The first thing I'm doing is buy coffee because I'm sleepy. Baka na mo. No, I just had some. What's up guys? So we are here in the technical area and our laptops are going crazy. Ako laptop, kanili na mo gawa sa kanang protector. Pero sige na lang. Gambari masyo! Pressure. Hey guys! Palpak again!
Hey guys, I'm CJ. I'm a vlogger of CJ Estrada YouTube nako, and I'm a vlogger of 4iLakan.com. So, hey guys! Take away for the vlog.
Alright!
Wala na, rock bata ang ligaw. So, as long as naligaw kasi hindi ko di problema.
Hey guys, it's gonna be the most exciting day here in Singapore, so let's teleport in 3, 2, 1. Good morning, Singapore, and I'm here at Universal Studios.
Actually, vlogs, dili lang siya puro manang video, bitaw mga kanang, hey guys, this is CJ, so I'm here, kanana. You also include B-rolls or kanang mga videos lang sa place or kanang what is happening, wala ka nagstorya. Pwede ng mga tips and tricks, kulang na akong time, kaya gusto pa ako, matudog po ako sa kanang editing sa kanang smartphone, but I have no time na. So let's just stay connected sa social media channels for iLakan.com and please subscribe to the YouTube channel CJ Estrada and napugin merch po bit.ly Pride March. So that's it. Thank you guys so much. Be confident in facing the camera. Yeah, it actually takes time to build confidence, but it just needs practice. Practice. If you saw my first video or vlog, mag-page ko. Kaya ako sa myself, I just did a reaction video, my first video, mag-page ko. Just be confident and deliver good content. That's it.
Thank you so much, CJ. Round of applause, please, again for CJ. So I'll do a recap for the contests. Please let us know. First, we have...
So guys, muna ko speak. Kapag kayo, dapat sa oras, but like and subscribe. Wala, free food! Oh my god, free food! Kanina nga ko Oh my god, free food! Free food! Basta free! Cheers! Yay! Kainan! May free food! Galit na dyan ko kinay! Power bank! How do you like to escape? Haha! Wala. Crazy. Anong meron? Oh my god! Hi guys! Andito si Isa Bears. Hello! Oh my god! Oh my god! Yeah!
This is how we party!
Hey guys, so Cebu Creators Day guys, and then so promote your channels guys.
Justin Mailong, please like and subscribe.
Yeah, of course.
Oh, it's me, boy. Like and subscribe.
Alright. Uy, siguan mo din hindi.
Kailan din?
Oo.
Kailan din ako?
Basta. Nakasubscribe po tayo sa channel.
Oh, subscribe. CJ.
Ay, hindi kita gini mo ko ano eh.
Kaya roll yung mic. Play mo game na siya pa na.
No, this year.
Sorry palit.
Only siya. Nice. Like and subscribe to his channel. Alright. Lahat vloggers din kayo nalingaw sa Bumbayo. Alright. Look at that. Tapos si PH Facts. Alright. Subscribe. Vlogception.
Yeah, doing some travel videos. Also travel.
Make sure to check out. It's him, boy. Yeah, it's me, boy. It's the famous. Nanaputi. Hi, JR River. Subscribe to his channel. Right. Ha? Ayaw. Hey!
Guys, ako na guys, lurker ako sa
Parang lurker niya pa.
Sa kabuhaton.
Paano ka? Pole dance.
Dance ito na.
Hey guys, that's a wrap. Ooh. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, share, peace, and love. Bye.